What the fuck? Bro, it looks so good.
This fucking guy.
That shit hurt.
Little cutie.
Anyways guys, good morning. It is about 8:30 in the morning. We have some exciting stuff going on. We're getting new wheels for the Type R. But first, coffee. Alright guys, so we got coffee, so cheers. And so now we gotta be at the bank in 5 minutes for when it opens. And then we gotta pick up Jordan, which is about another 20 minutes away. And then be in McMinnville, which is an hour and 15 minutes away by 11:15. And right now it's 8:55, so it's crunch time. Let's see if we can do it. Well guys, I told Jordan I was gonna be at his house at 9:40. That's in 5 minutes and I don't think he's awake. Also, it's like 60 degrees out. The Type R is loving this air right now. So crispy. Dude, I was honking at your garage for like 5 minutes, bro. How did you not wake up?
Dude, really?
Yeah, I was like, man, this guy sleeps through everything, man.
Yeah, he is home, so that means he didn't even hear that shit.
But we should be there in like, I want to say 30 minutes or so. And then you guys will see the new wheels. So I got these, and I got Project Kick lug nuts that I've been wanting for the other Civic. So it was a fucking killer deal. Even though I had to drive all the way out to McMinnville, but you know. And brand new tires. He said there's 800 miles on them. The mag blue is gonna look so good on the white. So now we got about an hour and 14 minutes to get home, and then we're gonna throw these wheels on. Alright guys, so we have made it back home. So now we're just gonna jack this bad boy up, get these out of the trunk, and see what they look like on the car. I didn't think I was gonna have TE37s for the Type R this soon, but it was such a good deal, I couldn't not take it, and I do not regret it at all. Just look at this flake. Can we please just take a moment and look at how beautiful these mag blue TE37s are in the sun? Look who decided
I come
to show
bearing
up.
peace offering. Offering.
He knew I was hungry, and I accept. Dude, come look at these in the sun.
Dude.
I don't even have tools to take the wheels off, so I told Benny I cracked a wheel, and he's gonna bring over his torque wrench.
What the heck? Dude. Oh my god. Dude, these look so good.
You look so, you kind of match with your pants.
Dude, yeah, low key. What the heck? Dude, these are beautiful.
You're beautiful.
And it's got the red. These come like normally with them?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is an add-on. Dude, I got these for so cheap. It's insane.
Dude, that's ridiculous. And fresh tires?
I know. Some Michelin. What are they? Pilot Sports
Pilot
all
Sports?
season. Yep. I don't know how expensive those are because I'm a stance sport.
Those are $2,000.
$2,000 for these tires?
That's why he was selling it for $5,000. Oh my god.
Drove an hour and a half without Jordan to pick him up.
Dude, I love how like square like the tire setup is. Like it's just meaty and it just looks like it's ready to race.
Some
Wait,
camber?
what tool do you need? Do you not have like a breaker bar?
No, I don't have anything to take the wheels off.
Oh.
Dude, I think it's gonna look alright with the stock height.
I think so too. Just because of how thick the tires are.
Yeah.
I think so.
But we'll definitely need some low after this. We'll see Benny in like GT come by right now.
He's probably gonna fly
What do you think his reaction's gonna be?
They're gonna be like, James, seriously?
My boy Benny coming to the rescue.
Sorry, I didn't know I was coming in that hot.
It's okay, you came to the rescue.
Ugh,
Dude, yeah, I think I cracked my wheel.
or what's that?
Huh?
What'd you get?
A pothole.
At home?
So I got new wheels.
What the fuck? So this is where you fucking went. Not bad. Who'd you buy them off of?
Some guy off Facebook.
Good spec?
18 by 9.5 plus 38.
So it's perfect.
Perfect.
Just say it.
No. No.
You should put in me telling you to say that.
Oh, it's a 21 mil. Fuck. Not bad though.
Oh, man. They're pretty fucking light, huh?
Yeah, no, they probably only weigh like, say like 15 pounds with a tire on it.
Damn.
So I'd say about 8 pounds without it.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh!
I kicked
that?
the lid!
Chicken down!
I kicked the lid. Yeah, so whoever bought the car from, give me back my toolkit. I don't have one.
This is what I'm curious about too.
What?
I never seen Project Kick lugs.
They spin on the bottom. I don't know what it's for.
It's to keep it from, it's so that way, so this can stay fixed inside of here with the pressure, and it doesn't mull up the face of the wheel, or the level. So that way, it can just stay in there, and then the outer part spins.
That's good to know. Because I didn't know that. This fucking guy.
That shit hurt. It's not a 21. Bro, it's a 22. What the fuck, Honda? So dumb. I'm gonna run back to my house again.
It's a fucking 22. Yeah, whoever took the toolkit out of my car, your mom's a nice lady. These are fucking 22s, 2021, and now he has to run back to his house.
Honda switched up with this car.
Yeah, Honda really did. 5x120, 22. What are you doing, Honda?
Like, look at that. That's the pinnacle. 19s, 19-inch lugs, or 19mm lugs. It's perfect.
17-inch wheels.
Perfect.
5x114. I miss this car.
It's so trash now.
This guy. He was supposed to take care of it. But
I did though.
He did. Look at this. Look at this. It's all right. Okay.
It's a nice day.
I'll see you in a minute. Third time's the charm. It's so gentle this time.
I couldn't find it.
Third time's the charm. He couldn't find it. Oh, he's just kidding. Damn, you got me good. I got hella sad. I was like,
Tease today.
no tease. So today's gonna be a pretty busy day. We got some homies from Seattle coming in. I have a shoot with Country over there. A really big ass truck. But it's gonna be one of those kind of like shoots where we just shoot periodically throughout the day. Yeah, but work anywhere you fit. Alright, cool. Yeah, so let's get this on the car now. Fuck, this thing's fucking on there. Oh my god, these bitches are heavy. No way.
Are you sure you used the right size?
No. Why would I do that?
No, James, you didn't use the right size.
Oh, whoopsies.
God. That's a 21.
So this is the right size, technically. That looks so good. Damn. It doesn't look half bad stock height. Not bad.
There. Get that action shot. Oh, doctor! God, this is heavy.
That was good, bro. Sorry, I was going back. You can do. Alright, what was your name again? Nice seeing you again, yeah.
Let me hit you with that fast and zoom.
Do you know
this reminds me of?
Chapow!
Fucking Hot in Fortnights, the after party.
Oh yeah. Just me fucking around, it's like, bow. Thank you. I tried.
Like that moment would have never happened if you didn't like put in that effort.
What?
Yeah, what?
Oh, she was like, oh, this is cool. I'm like, Tony has the same, but his is better.
Don't snap one.
Yeah, you got this.
Get the meat. A little too meat.
Shove it in, Daddy. Shove it in.
Oh.
Bro.
Oops. Look at these. Project kick. Wah! Ta-da! The tikis are on. They're meaty. Oh, I almost tripped. Look at that.
Wow.
The mag blue and the white looks so good. A little dusty, but that's okay. Yeah, it definitely needs some love, at least in a smaller tire, but not bad for stock height. 2 fingers.
Hit him with that 2 finger.
So now we're racing the sunset to shoot rollers of his truck. So we're gonna do that really quick. That's so not, it's so thick. Side?
What?
Did you torque this side?
Maybe.
Oh yeah. Bro, it looks so good.
Dude.
So good.
Thank you. It's so meaty, dude.
That's perfect.
Yeah, the rear's perfect. The
front's so good.
it's not like you're not gonna look at it and be like, damn, that's stock height as fuck. You know what I mean?
I would.
Yeah, you're right.
I think it's higher than stock height.
Oh, snappy! I missed it. Look, can we just appreciate this stock fitment right here? So good. I'm so excited. And the project kick lug looks so good. It's so dark. I'm sorry. Sheesh. But yeah, here's another angle of it on the TEs. It's pretty flush. This is an 18 by 9.5 plus 38. That's the rear. And that's the front. It's about the 2-inch gap stock height, which is not bad, honestly. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it looks right now. Next will be probably some Mugen bits, and then I'll go low with smaller tires. I want to at least use these tires once for a track day, or at least through the winter, because, well, they're pretty grippy. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like the Type R content, let me know. Drop a comment below. Let me know. Drop a comment below if you guys want me to keep doing Type R content or go back to photography.